Hi guys! Kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa na kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin na rin tayo ni bell button dun sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel, you know? At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react nga ako guys dito sa national costume ni Chelsea Manalo. Kaya i-play na natin to guys. Sobrang excited na ako na makita to ulit. Kaya i-play na natin to without further ado. Let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Alright? Okay, bilang tayo guys ng 3, 2, 1, go. So, here we go. Wait lang. Ang ingay ng aso, nagbabark. So, ito na. Grabe yung headpiece niya, no? Yung details ng kanyang natkos. Ang ganda. Masterpiece. Grabe, ang ganda ni Chelsea, no? Play natin siya ulit. Eh, may commercial. Wait lang. Ba't may commercial break? Dali lang guys. Ang tagal, nasa ni-skip nito. Play natin siya ulit. Ayun, tagal lang i-skip. Yan. Dali lang. Yan, ulitin natin. Ang ganda, no? Every small details ng kanyang natkos, grabe. Napaka-pulido ng pagkakagawa. And talagang work of art yung kanyang natkos. Bagay sa skin color ni Chelsea, napakaganda. Tignan nyo guys. Diba? Yan. Basahin natin yung kung anong meaning nitong kanyang national costume mamaya. Pagkayari. Ganda, no? So pretty. Ay. Galing. Ganda mo, Chelsea. I love you. So, basahin natin guys yung meaning ng kanyang national costume. Wait lang. So, nakalagay dito yun. Ayun. Ito. Ay, wala pala. Dali lang. Meron ako nakita kanina. Dali. Hey, wait lang guys. Eh, nasaan na yun? Ito. Miss Universe Philippines candidate Chelsea Manalo marches her Catholic-inspired national costume, wearing her hand-painted Our Lady of Peace and Good Voyage. Yeah. Tama ba yung pag-pronounce ko? Anyway, basahin natin ulit. The Virgin of Antipolo. Oh, yun pala yun. Also known as Our Lady of Peace and Good Voyage, is a highly revered Catholic image in the Philippines. Its connection to Mexico lies in its origins. So nga, no? Diba, pares tayong sinakop ng Espanya. So, yung kultura natin, meron talagang pagka-same sa Mexico. Galing! Galing nang nakaisip nun. So, nakalagay dito, number 1, the image was brought to the Philippines from Mexico in 1626 by Spanish missionaries. Number 2, it was originally a gift from Mexican governor. Oh, may connection talaga siya guys, no? Between Mexican and Philippines. Ang galing! Governor General to the, hindi ko mabasa, Jesus priest in the Philippines. The image was made by Mexican artisans, likely of indigenous or mestizo origin, reflecting the cultural exchange between Mexico and the Philippines during the Spanish colonial period. Wow! Galing! The Virgin of Antipolo is now enshrined in the Antipolo Cathedral in Rizal Province, Philippines, and it's a major pilgrimage site. Highlights the trans-Pacific cultural and religious ties between the two countries during the Spanish colonial era. Wow, ang galing, no? Ang galing. Grabe. Kaya pala crowd favorite talaga si si Miss Chelsea sa Mexico. Anyway, ang galing. Sobrang na-impress talaga ako sa kanyang natkos at ang galing ng gumawa ng kanyang national costume, no? Tignan yung details ng kanyang natkos. Grabe, napakapulido. Talagang work of art national costume at ang ganda ng meaning ng kanyang natkos, di ba? And yung connection between Philippines and Spanish, yun yung gown niya, yung inspired ng kanyang gown. Alright, kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, bigyan ito malaking likes, mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa akin channel. Yun na, bye po!